Good morning and welcome. I am here in Kanchanburi and I'm excited to say that today I'm going to Erawan Falls. So I'm gonna hire a motorbike and shoot my way there. I've gotten up super early just because I want to try and beat all that crazy traffic because obviously it is a popular destination to go to. So I really want to try and beat the craziness of it all. So get up there nice and early, get some tucker in here at the hostel. I'm staying at Cafe Hostel 25, which is actually quite a cruisy. It's quite cheap, quite relaxing. Hostel. It's not a party hostel. It's just really chill. So I'll be getting on a scooter and heading out. Talk to you soon. What do you reckon?
Amazing!
It's just, you have to come here. Simple as that. You have to come here. There's just no words, no words. Not a single person inside. All this little section is all ours. That's a fail.